Good morning, students. Today we will read page number 41 to 43 from the reader book Sam the Fat Cat. Let's start. Let us start with the E words HEN hen, NET net, TEN ten, MEN men, MET met, HELP help, TENT tent, RED red, YELLOW yellow. Phonic words meg, hen, ten, red, ran, can, but, has, for. Sight words is, be, to, the, are, look, they, lost, yellow, chicks, where. Meg is a red hen. Meg has 10 yellow chicks, but the chicks are lost. Where can they be? Meg the red hen ran to look for the chicks. Phonic words met, sob, not, dog, fat, cat, rat, Sam, Pam, spot. Sight words no, my, we, you, will, she, them, have, seen, say, help. She met Sam the fat cat, Pam the rat, and Spot the dog. Have you seen my 10 chicks? Sobs Meg. No, we have not, say Sam and Spot, but we will help you look for them. Practice reading properly. Thank you, children.